When installing a FiTech EFI frame rail mounted fuel pump, there's some certain things that you want to pay attention to. And on today's video, we're going to show you the key points of what you need to pay attention to when installing one of these frame rail mounted pumps. When you get a FiTech frame rail mounted fuel pump or kit, you want to make sure that when mounting that fuel pump that you follow a few key points. In the instructions, it calls for that fuel pump to be mounted as low as possible and as close to the tank as possible. To follow that a little closer, you got to understand that an electric fuel pump is designed to push fuel and not pull. So when mounting one of these pumps, you want to limit the amount of restriction leading up to that fuel pump. Things like line size, pump level to fuel pickup inside the gas tank level, and any type of obstructions leading up to it, like a clogged filter. So when you mount one of these fuel pumps, you want to get it back by the tank as close as possible and below the bottom level of the gas tank. This way you can allow a gravity feed or a siphon to be created to get fuel to the fuel pump. Then the fuel pump can push fuel forward. This will ensure that the fuel pump has an adequate supply of fuel and it doesn't cavitate. When one of these fuel pumps is running, you should have pretty much a constant tone. If that tone is fluctuating, going up and down, or getting louder over time, that is a good sign that that fuel pump is probably cavitating, and before you know it, when the pump full on cavitates, you're going to lose fuel pressure and the engine's going to stall on the vehicle. I hope this answers some of the questions that you have when mounting a frame rail mounted fuel pump. Please visit FiTechEFI.com for additional content, or comment down below with any kind of questions that you have, and we'll be sure to answer them for you.